Guys, you might be asking me, why am I messing around with this alarm? But you can't do it. It is my own alarm. So I could do whatever I want to this alarm. If you mess around with fire alarms out in public, you are going to get into serious trouble. You are going to get fined, and you are going to get arrested. So, leave the alarm alone out in public. Guys, in a public building, you don't ever take the alarm off the wall, or any of that. This is very serious stuff. I mean, I could do whatever I want to this alarm because it is my own alarm, but if you're doing the things I'm doing in public, you are going to get arrested. Fire alarm fun. I mean, never ever mess with these things out in public. Bye.